Are you a vendor or small business owner? Don't miss this golden opportunity. Washington West African Center invites all vendor owners to come showcase your goods and services at our third annual Sound of Africa Festival on Saturday, 16 August 2025 at the Garfield Park in Everett from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Whether you are a restaurant owner, realtor, mechanic, or you sell food, clothes, accessories, crafts, or any other business, this is your moment to sign, connect, and promote your brand to thousands of Washingtonians. To register your booth free of charge, kindly RSVP using the link below or contact the Washington West African Center at 425-758-3269 or email us at info@wawak.org or visit our website www.wawak.org. Sound of Africa Festival, empowering local business in the state. Let's make it big, vibrant, and lively. See you there on Saturday, 16 August 2025. Be there or be nowhere.